Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am here to share with you a chicken sandwich recipe. Chicken burger sandwich, chicken burger recipe. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvette Grace. In this channel, I'm your chef, and today we are making chicken sandwich or chicken burger, however you'd like to call it, that's on you. But this is a wonderful meal I'd love to teach you how to make or show you, and it's nice, it's really sweet, so stay tuned to get to know how to make this one. First, you'll need ground chicken, then some salt, ground cumin, cayenne pepper, which is optional. You can use black pepper instead of cayenne, paprika, then mix the meat with your hands, mixing the spices very well. After that, you'll add a dash of all-purpose flour. If you have breadcrumbs, that also works. Wet your hands, then roll the chicken into a medium-sized ball. Into a pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, then let it heat. Once it's heated, add the ball of chicken, then place parchment paper over the chicken so that when you press it down, it doesn't stick to the spoon. You press it down, then remove the parchment paper. The reason why you have to press it down is to ensure it cooks evenly. So don't forget to press it down. Now it's time for the egg. Crack an egg into a hot oiled pan, then add salt. Okay, I don't like runny eggs, so I'll have to terrorize the yolk. Step 3. So I made my buns from scratch. So I cut the bun into half, then toast it. Next we make the mayo sauce, burger sauce, whatever you want to call it. Number 1, we'll need the mayo. Paprika, vinegar, salt, ketchup, mustard. Then mix it up. Now that the sauce is ready, you get your buns, toasted buns please. Spread the mayo sauce on the top and the bottom bun. On the bottom bun, add the omelette, tomato slice, coleslaw, chicken patty, then the top bun. And that's it. And that's how I made my chicken sandwiches. There are more recipes I'll share with you soon, but today it's this one. And that's how I make it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And just comment down and let me know how you think the recipe is. Just try it. You won't get hurt. Actually, this is a wonderful meal for your breakfast, snacks. You can snack it on Sundays, during the weekend, during the day. You can just make the patties and store them in the fridge so that on, let's say in the morning when you have buns, if you can't make your own buns, by the way, I make my buns from scratch. So if you can't make your own buns, you can buy the buns from supermarket like Festive. Festive has them. Yeah, you just slice, toast the mayo, dip, and I make my own coleslaw, which consists of just cabbage. You can use cabbage. Mayo is important. Cabbage, mayo, vinegar or lemon, and carrots, and I use ho-ho, which is not important, but that's how I make mine. Yeah. Okay, now let's try this recipe. Now look at that. Niambie that is not tasty. Yeah. That's a burger right there. You're missing out. You're missing out. You need to try this recipe. Okay. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Choyo. I'll see you again next week. Bye guys.